how to play Every Day from High School Musical on the guitar. Let's get started with all the chords and the strumming that you need to know to play this song. So the chords for the first verse, it's going to start with a G to a D over F sharp, just looks like this, to an E minor, to a G, then you're going to play a C to a G over B, to an F, and then to a D. And then we're going to go to a G for when Gabriella starts singing. Make it last forever, to the D over F sharp, to the E minor, to the G. So we're just kind of repeating a little bit here. Then we're going to go to, 'cause it's our turn, loving where we're at. It's a C to a G to a D, because this moment's really all we have. And those chords, it's an F to a C to a D. And that takes us to the chorus. Every day of our lives, it's going to be a C to a G to an A minor to a G. Then you're going to play a C, a G, and an F. Those are the chords for the chorus. C, G, A minor, G, C, G, F. C, G, A minor, G, C, G, F. And then after you do the oh, every day, then you just play, there's a little instrumental there. And it's just a C, a G, and an A minor for that instrumental. Then you go into another verse. You're going to play a G, D, E minor, D, C, G, F, D 2 times for the second verse. Then you're going to play an F to a D. Then you go to the bridge. It's just an A minor to an E minor to an F. And then you go back into the chorus there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to play the first verse and the chorus and the bridge, the different parts of the song, so you can see where the chords go and the strumming pattern and how everything works together. So let's get started. First verse. Once in a lifetime means there's no second chance. So I believe that you and me should grab it while we can and make it last forever and never give it back. It's our turn and I'm loving where we're at, because this moment's really all we have. Then you go to the chorus. Every day of our lives, wanna find you there, wanna hold on tight, gonna run while we're young and keep the faith. Oh, every day from right now, gonna use our voices and scream out loud. Take my hand, together we celebrate. Oh, every day. Then you go to the second verse. We're gonna go on down to the bridge and play that. We're taking it back, we're doing it here together. It's better like that, and stronger now than ever. We're not gonna lose, 'cause we gotta choose. That's how it's gonna be. Then you go, oh, every day of our lives. You go back into the chorus there. That's where all the chords go in the song. Now let's go over the strumming pattern you could use. So for the first verse, you can kind of just do one strums. Once in a lifetime means there's no second chance, because it starts out really slow with just the piano. Or you can just pick once in a lifetime means there's no second chance. What I'm doing for that is I'm just hitting the top string, and then I'm hitting the G and B string. And then for the E minor, you hit the A string instead of the E string. There's no second chance. Back to the top. And then for the C, same thing, hit the A string. So I believe that you and me, hit the A string for the F, should grab it while we can, and for the D. And then for the strumming pattern for this song, it's gonna be down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Those are the chords, and that is the strumming pattern that you could use for this song. If you guys want to check out my guitar, the link is in the description below. This is a Taylor GS Mini. It's made out of koa wood, which is pretty cool. I got elixir strings on the guitar, and it sounds really great. Check this out. That is the main reason that I bought this guitar. I walked into Guitar Center and I saw it and I was just like, man, it's beautiful. Picked it up, started playing it. I was like, man, it sounds beautiful. So I bought it. One of the cool things about a GS Mini is obviously that it is smaller. So check this out. Ow. This is a regular guitar. This is a Taylor GS Mini. It's a lot smaller. Look at that. Look at it. Size difference. You see that? Do you see that? Have you ever seen that before? This guitar is so nice. It's easier to play if you have smaller hands or chubby fingers or something like that because it is smaller. But it sounds amazing because Taylor is incredible. That's the reason why they're one of the best guitar creating companies on planet Earth. It's also electronic. I don't know if you care about that. You can plug it into an amp. I don't know if that means anything to you or not. Fun size, travel size. The Sabrina Carpenter of guitars. I got a bunch of other stuff down there. I got chords, interfaces, guitar picks, strings, my favorite guitar picks, microphones if you're into the singing and you want to make a cover or something, capos, all of that junk is in the description below if you want to check it out. It's there. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that this helped you, and I will see you in another one.